In this video, we'll learn how to tell the time in Cantonese. Let's go! When we tell the time in Cantonese, it can be pretty straightforward. You just have to put the number and the word dim to represent something o'clock. The word dim means dot or point in English. For example, if it's 1 o'clock, we just say nhất điểm. To help you to remember, try and think of the word dim as the dot here. How about 12 o'clock? That's right, it's 12點. A special note with saying 2 o'clock. Instead of saying 2點, we say 2點. If you'd like to learn more about when to use 2 or 2, please check out that video after this one. If it's 2:30, we say 2點半.半means half in Cantonese. So how about 6:30? That's right, it's 6點半. In ancient times, the character 半 looks like this. The top part means to divide something. The bottom part represents a cow. The whole character means half. For the common way to tell the time, you just add another number after the o'clock. I'll give you an example. 2:10. Since the long hand is pointing at 2, we say 2點2 in Cantonese. 2點 means 2 o'clock, and 2 here refers to 10 past. How about 7:45? That's right, it's 7點9. One more note. If you want to roughly tell the time, like 3 something, you can use 幾 to represent the word something. 3點幾. To check the time with someone, we ask 而家幾點? 而家幾點? If it's 12:40, we can say 而家12點8 or just 12點8. What time is it now when you're watching this video? 而家幾點? Comment down below and see if you can tell the time in Cantonese. That's all for now. If you'd like to learn more about Cantonese, please check out my other videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!